Hello and welcome back to this channel. Today's gonna be a really fun video because all I'm gonna be doing is talking about why our hydroponic systems are failing once again. But before we start talking about how hard it is to grow stuff in hydroponic systems, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on awesome miss a video, like this video. Let's go ahead and start this video. So, if you guys have seen my other videos, I've explained pretty much how algae keeps growing in the stuff and other stuff keeps growing in the systems, which actually keep hurting the roots. It just slowly just keeps killing all the roots. If you can tell, the top rows actually look really good. That's a better view. That row doesn't look as good. That row looks horrible. I'll probably try to replace a lot of the plants later, but for some reason, our basil is actually doing pretty good. It's not doing amazing, but it's not doing really bad. Pretty much a big thing of like what I was saying a second ago is just algae just keeps growing in it. If you guys look in there, you can just see it just grows rapidly. You can kind of tell at the top of the sponge. They're just not doing very amazing. That doesn't look as bad, but there's not a lot of algae in that actually. It's kind of weird that all these roots are just starting to not survive. Maybe too much nutrients in it, but I'm pretty sure the roots would be a lot darker if there's too much nutrients. The nutrients can sometimes burn the roots, which just pretty much destroys the plant. But I don't think that's the case because there's not much nutrients in these systems, so that I'd be very surprised. It'd be very interesting to see what's actually happening to them. But yeah, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Hydroponics are insanely hard to grow stuff in fully. I've done the system all the way down there. I did one time in a different location and it just thrived. It worked, and then once I moved them to this area and got a second one, it just hasn't worked the same ever since. They still work perfectly fine. The only thing that really is just hurting the plants now is stuff is growing in the actual systems, which is kind of hurting and damaging the plants. So it'd be very interesting to see what that is. If you guys know how to kind of figure stuff out, please comment that down because it would mean a lot. If I could kind of figure this stuff out and starting to get this in the just motion of working. So back to the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys watching today's video. So please subscribe, hit the bell notification on awesome start video and like this video. I really appreciate you guys spending your time today to watch this 3-minute video, and I will see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.